Stop saying you're beautiful. I'll say these 4 things instead, so she truly feels it. Number 1, why you're beautiful has lost its power. Telling a woman she is beautiful is not wrong, but it has become so overused that it rarely lands with the emotional impact it once had. Female psychology research shows that women respond far more deeply to specific, thoughtful compliments that acknowledge their character, effort, and individuality rather than generic praise about their appearance. When a man takes the time to notice and articulate something uniquely meaningful about a woman, it signals genuine attention and emotional intelligence, 2 qualities that create lasting connection. If you want your words to truly make her feel seen, valued and appreciated, it is time to upgrade your vocabulary. Number 2, compliments that acknowledge her mind and character. Instead of defaulting to appearance-based praise, try these 4 phrases that speak directly to who she is as a person. First, say, "The way you think is genuinely impressive." This validates her intelligence and perspective. Second, try, "You make every room feel warmer just by being in it." This honors her presence and emotional energy. Third, say, "I love how passionate you are about the things you care about." Then this shows you pay attention to her values. Fourth, tell her, "You have a kind of strength that most people never develop." This affirms her resilience and depth of character in a way that few people ever take the time to express. Number 3, compliments that make her feel emotionally safe. Emotional safety is one of the most powerful things a man can offer a woman. Try saying, "And I feel like I can be completely honest with you." This communicates trust and positions her as someone emotionally mature and safe. Say, "By being around you makes me want to be a better person." This is deeply meaningful because it shows she has a positive influence on your growth. Tell her, "You notice things that most people overlook." This makes her feel uniquely perceptive and appreciated. These phrases work because they go beyond surface-level attraction and tap into the emotional connection that women consistently rank as more important than physical compliments alone. Number 4, why specific words create deeper bonds. Female psychology consistently shows that women feel most valued when they are truly seen and not just admired. The 8th and perhaps most powerful thing you can say is simply, "I was thinking about something you said, and you were right," just because acknowledging her wisdom and being willing to reflect on her words communicates profound respect. Specific, intentional compliments build emotional intimacy over time because they demonstrate active listening, genuine appreciation, and emotional maturity. When a woman feels truly understood rather than simply flattered, she becomes emotionally invested in a deeper and more lasting way.